As you can see, we have received an artwork that contains CMYK plus 3 spot colors because the client wants his logo printed with specific brand inks. If you print it onto Roto, 7 cylinders would be really expensive, so we try to reduce the inks by rebuilding the fruit image from spot colors. Photoshop's own spot color handling is quite limited, so I'll just use RetouchXpress plugin enhanced features for creating and manipulating our specific inks. I click on Process on the first panel and I turn off Print Simulation now for faster display. And now I go into the Pantone module within the RX panel and select the green leaves, then click on Create New Spot Plate. Here I search for Pantone 354. That's one of the brand color of the packaging. The ink has appeared in my ink list. Then I select the orange fruits and create a new spot channel for them too. Obviously, I'll use the second brand color, Orange 021. Again, it appears in the list here. The third spec color is a dark blue, so I'll use that for shadowing the image. No selection here because I will use the whole image for Pantone 072. And that's when I start fine-tuning my colors and set the contrast of the spec inks. Unlike Photoshop, RetouchXpress does that in a non-destructive way, so I can always get back my original settings without losing details. Now I go to P21 and mix some of the process yellow underneath. This is the only process ink I keep. I may lighten the orange a little bit. I do the same yellow mix for the spot green too. Became really lively now. The only thing I have to fine-tune is the dark blue. Now they look quite identical. Maybe a little more orange. Here you can see that I can always regain the details because RX keeps the original plates in its memory. Okay, so there are my new plates, one by one. I just save, actually overwrite the original process image, and look at the result in Illustrator. I click on Update the image and keep its embedded color profile. So let's check the new plates again. Cyan empty. Magenta empty. We kept some of the yellow. Black is empty. And that's the spot green. Spot blue and spot orange. Now we saved a lot of money for the printing company or the client. For more information, trial, customization, and licensing, visit our website, retouchexpress.eu.